はい、こんにちは、あすか先生です。Hi, I'm Asuka Sensei, your Japanese teacher. Today I'm talking about position. So let's make a sentence. Yes, let's translate this sentence into Japanese. There's a cat under the table. Ooh. So, a cat is neko. So, I give you two words. Table means the table. So, table. Neko. And then, what's the verb? Can you get it? So, table. Here is under. What is under? Shita. Yes, shita. Table. Shita. Neko. This verb means there is or there are or exist. Yes, but it is not arimasu because arimasu is non-animated, non-moving, non-living creatures. Okay, but neko is very lively. Yes. So, neko imasu. Imasu. Imasu is a verb. Means exist or there is, there are. So something, some creatures exist. Okay, so neko imasu. Okay, then let's make them particles. Can you get it? Table no shita ni neko ga imasu. Yes, so shita is a position word. So when you say under the table, table no shita ni, because in Japanese, shita is a noun word, means under or beneath or bottom. Okay, so we use the word shita. Yes, so and then shita is a noun word, so that's why if you add extra information, yeah, extra information, table. So what's under? Table no shita. So under the table. So table no shita ni. This ni shows a place where something exists. In this case, cat. Okay. So ni shows a place, and then shita is a kind of place word, means under, bottom, beneath. Okay. The neko ga imasu means a cat exists. So it's like there is or there is a cat or there are cats. Yes. Remember, Japanese language doesn't show any singular, plural, difference. So neko can be one cat or lots of millions of cats. Okay? So テーブルの下に猫がいます。Okay, see you next time. さよなら。またね。